Welcome back to the Digital Wealth Tips channel. Today, we'll explore the powerful world of affiliate marketing and discover how you can achieve success online through this highly profitable business model. Introduction to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income online without creating and selling your own products. Instead, you'll promote other companies' products or services and earn a commission for each successful sale made through your unique affiliate link. How it works. The concept is simple. Once you become an affiliate, you'll be provided with a special link to share with your audience. When someone makes a purchase through that link, you earn a commission. This is a great way to monetize your content and generate passive income. Finding the right products to promote. The first step in affiliate marketing is choosing products or services that are relevant to your audience. Consider what your audience is looking for and what their needs are. Find products that address those needs and are beneficial to your viewers. Creating quality content. To successfully promote products, you need to create high-quality content. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, ebooks, or something else. Focus on providing value to your audience and offering relevant information about the products you promote. Building trust with your audience. The key to successful affiliate marketing is building trust with your audience. Be honest and transparent about the products you promote. Don't recommend products solely for the sake of earning a commission. Only recommend products you genuinely believe in and know will benefit your audience. Tracking results and optimization. Regularly monitor the performance of your affiliate links. Analyze which products sell the best and which marketing campaigns yield the best results. Based on that data, optimize your promotions to increase your earnings. Example of a successful affiliate campaign. Allow me to show you an example of a successful affiliate campaign that brought fantastic results. Through steps and analysis, you'll see how you can stand out and attract an audience that will respond to your recommendations. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing can be a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom and success online. Find products that align with your niche, build trust with your audience, and regularly optimize your promotions. Be patient and consistent, and the results will come. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the topic of affiliate marketing, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the Digital Wealth Tips channel to stay updated with new content. See you in the next video.